Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious cheese and garlic naan bread using an easy method. First, combine warm water, a pinch of sugar, and yeast, letting it activate for about 5 minutes. Then, mix in flour, salt, baking powder, and a touch of oil. Knead this dough for 5 to 7 minutes until it's smooth and elastic. Finally, let it rise in a warm spot for at least 1 hour until it doubles in size. While your dough is rising, let's prepare the flavorful garlic butter and cheese filling. Melt some butter and stir in plenty of minced garlic and fresh, chopped cilantro. For the cheese, grate your favorite kind, like mozzarella or a blend, ensuring you have about 1 cup. Once the dough has risen, gently punch it down and divide it into 8 equal portions. Flatten each piece into a small oval, ready for filling. Now it's time to assemble our naan. Take one flattened dough oval and place a generous spoonful of your grated cheese in the center. Carefully fold the edges of the dough over the cheese, pinching them tightly to seal it completely. Gently roll out the filled dough to about 1/4 inch thick. Heat a griddle or cast iron pan to medium-high and cook each naan for 2 to 3 minutes per side until golden brown and puffed. Once your naan is beautifully cooked, immediately brush it generously with the fragrant garlic butter we prepared earlier. The warm naan will absorb all that wonderful flavor. If you like, sprinkle a little extra fresh cilantro on top for a pop of color and taste. Serve your warm, cheesy garlic naan right away as a delightful side dish or a satisfying snack. Enjoy every delicious bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.